Are you tired of apps you installed just auto-starting when you're starting up your computer? In this video I will show you how to disable that. It's actually really easy. To begin, you will need to open up the task manager. You will do that by pressing down Ctrl, Shift and Escape. And there you will be taken to the task manager. Once here, click on this button here, which is for Start Up Apps. And here you will see all apps that support auto starting, and here you can select the app you want to disable auto start on. I will for example do that on Spotify, so just click on the app and click disable. I will also do that with Discord, which is called update.exe here. Click disable on that too if you would want to disable auto start on that app. And you can also enable apps if you want to enable an app to auto-start. And that's it. Now the apps that you disable auto-start on won't auto-start when you're starting up your computer. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.